Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to draw the fish nilotica. This is a very regular fish, and let's start the drawing from the left side. All right, you can see the usual shape of the fish. It has a similarity with the tilapia fish. All right, and the shape is run through this line to the tail. All right, so few parts for the tail we can draw here, and the dorsal fin has a different characteristics, looks like this. Okay, you can see the eye here. All right, another fin here in this position, and the other fin, and the last one here looks like this is the fin at the bottom, and the whole body has lots of scales, you can see. So I'm just moving to the whole body with a graphical presentations of the scales of the whole body. All right, so after the usual outline is done, we're going to put the colors starting from the mouth, filling up the eye here, and the parts on the top side, as you can see in the drawing, this is little much darker than the other parts of the body, so you're providing the same colors. All right, let's put few colors here. Okay, and we're just filling up the whole parts and the border side with the regular shades and outlines. All right, All right, so the drawing is almost finished. The usual presentations of the fish you can see here. This is similar to the tilapia, but it has a little difference. Alright, so this is the nilotica fish. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. You can also browse through the playlist to have lots of drawings in different categories. Stay tuned with Blue Hand Drawing, and in our next videos we're going to bring more interesting items. Thank you so much. Have a good day.